Hello, this is George Flores, and this is lesson 3 of the course Fundamentals of Cinematic Sound Design. So in this one, we're going to be talking about pixel arts. So let's put up our pixel arts here, and let's have a look. Okay, so as you can see from this here, these sounds would probably be triggered from within the game. But in our case, since we're doing linear sound, we're going to just soundpost this as if it was a trailer. And then you could certainly output each individual sound so an implementer of video games can actually incorporate it into the game. So as we can see from the video, this is pretty pixelated. So we're going to try and go for sort of an 8-bit retro type of sound. So we'll just go from the beginning then. We're going to start with his feet because that's the first thing that we see as he moves along. He's walking along. So we want to find little sounds that are going to be representative of what pixel arts would be like in this type of games. One of the restrictions that we have in game sound is that we have to have very, very small usage of memory. So many times footsteps are repeated over and over, so there's only 2 variations, and that's what gives pixel arts its quality. So let's find a couple of little footsteps and let's have a look. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, and then he runs. So let's start with the footsteps at the beginning. We go to Soundly and we're going to just type feet. And let's see what comes up. So we want, okay, we can use this one. So we have here a set of footsteps. So first, cut the first footstep as close as possible to the actual sound. Let's try the first one here. Then the next one here. Try the next one here. And try the next one here. Okay. Now, so now we're going to look for the next time that he's going to walk here. And let's just put one here where he runs. Put it there. Next one. Let's try it there. And next one. Let's try it there. Back it up. Now we need some whooshes, and there's some extra feet there that he's putting down every time that he moves. So the feet here first, so he's putting a foot right there. And the next foot, let's see what is going to happen. Say is there. Then the next one again. There. And the next one. There. And the next one. That's it. Okay, so let's go till there only. And now we're going to look at the whooshes that he's using. When he's moving the sword, he should have that type of sound. So that's the type of sound that we need to have. From Soundly, I selected a swing when I was trying this, and it's here. Let's just solo the swing, and we're not going to look at the picture. Just listen to the swing. Okay, so that sounds pretty good for a swing. Let's find out where he actually swings. Swing happens here. So let's try the swing here, see how that feels. And now he swings back. So first swing is here. And he swings again. to the right for the next swing, which will be there. So let's try those two. The second one can be one frame later, so it matches picture better. There's another one after that. Okay, let's try those three then. And there's one going up. Let's try the one going up. Try that. And then he brings the sword down without the animation of the whoosh. So that seems pretty good. So now if I play those, it's doing this. And then he's going to bring it up again without the animation whoosh. So let's use the same one that is movement without animation, which is this one. Put it there. Okay. And then he's going to have animation again for his swing. So let's just use this one, the one we're using for swinging, which is this. Okay, there's another one that happens here. Okay. I'm going to now put all the feet along with that. Okay, so let's find some little rocks that he can break with his sword. We will go into Soundly and find a rock smash. Maybe something like this. Okay, so I'm going to use those. So this is the rock smashing. Let's see what happens here. So he goes here and he smashes right here. Bring the level up that. That because he is using a sword, he should have the sound of metal hitting the ground there as well. So let's find a sword hit. Because that sounds really good, actually, because that will complement, has a little bit of a whoosh in it, so it will complement the sound of him moving his body and moving the actual sword itself. So to synchronize this one, I'm going to cut the sound exactly to where I hear the metal hit, so solo the track. And here it is. That's where it hits. So we're going to bring it back a bit, so it's exactly where it needs to be. So that one frame at the time, that was pretty close. So there it is. Let's hear that. Here. Now we have this asterisk flying over. So let's find a winning sound. Okay, and then there's another spark that happens after that. There's a bit of a spark. Let's try that one. Okay, so we're going to use this one for when the asterisks come up of his sword. Let's try it there. Solo it. That's good. Let's just make that one brighter and thinner. Okay. Let's go back and listen to him here. And then he jumps. Again, like we did before, we take the apex of the sound and we'll set up the apex of the sound to sync to where the character is going up halfway. So let's try the apex of the sound to be there. Solo that and see how that sounds. That's when he jumps down. So take this same sound and reverse it. Reverse it. So this is now going to be jumping back down. So that's reverse. So that going up is this and going down is this. So let's find video game voice and we'll give him a voice. Okay, let's use this one. And let's use this one. And let's see how that one sounds if we have two different voices. So the first one is this. And then when he falls, we need a body fall, concrete. So we'll use this one, and let's find out again when he falls to the ground. So here goes, and he falls right there. So now it sounds like this. Now he gets up here, and now he's gonna do the smash again.